Hello and good morning. Let's take a look here. This is a work backwards problem. Remember, your test is going to be uploaded probably either today or tomorrow. Actually, it'll be loaded tomorrow through Monday, so make sure you take that. Here's the volume. So in place of the V, you're going to put 200. Pi is 3.14. You're looking for the radius, and the height is 7. So what you're going to do here is divide by 3.14 and 7. When you do that, this cancels. So you get the radius squared equals. Well, 200 divided by 7 and then divided by 3.14. When I do that, I get 9.099. And then you want to get rid of the square by doing the square root. So you want to hit the square root button. So the radius, shift square root, is 3.0. Okay? It's actually a little more. I'm going to say 3.01716. Okay? That's your radius, and that is called work backwards. Okay, let's go to the practice test. If you were absent, it's over there on that table. I want to clear up a couple of things from yesterday. First of all, number 10, it came to 4 boxes if you look at the video from yesterday, part 1. But here it says you're filling it up halfway. So that would make the answer 2. So be careful and read it, and that's number 10. Okay, follow up. And on this one right here, when you figure out the answer, you have to divide by 10. So for number 11, you're going to have to work it the same way I did on the video and then divide by 10. All right, let's pick up where we left off. Okay, I think we left off on number 17. Let's take a look at 17. Okay, so a rectangular pyramid looks like this, number 17. Okay, and fits exactly on the top of a rectangular prism. So the rectangular prism is going to look something like that. Okay, and it says the prism has a length of 15, a width of 5, and a height of 7. The pyramid has a height of 13. Find the volume. All right, well, let me think about this a minute. Well, first I would do the rectangular prism. This is called a composite. So the box down here, a rectangular prism, is going to be length times width times height, plus down here you're going to do 15, and then it's 5 wide. So it's going to be 15 times 5 times 13, the height of the pyramid. But you got to divide by 3. And if you work that out, you should get the answer. Okay? It's a composite. There it is. Okay, so do this first, get an answer. Do this separate, get an answer, and then add it up. And then check it. Let's go to number 18. Tori's making square pyramid candles. So it's a square, and it's a pyramid, it comes to a point. So you're going to have to divide by 3. She has a total area, or rather volume, because it's cubic. So we're going to say volume equals pi, equals length times width times height, divided by 3 because it comes to a point. So the volume, make this a little bit smaller, volume is going to be 2112. Okay, is equal to, now, each candle to be 9 inches tall, so that's the height, and a base of 8. Okay, so it's a square, so these are going to be the same, so it's going to be 8 times 8. Let's see what's going on here. And you got to divide by 3 here. It says, how many candles does she need to make? Well, She's got that much wax there. How much can she make? All right, well, let's see. What we're going to do is take 64, 8 times 8, times 9, press equals, divide by 3. Okay, so 196 is one of them. So what we're going to do is take 2112, divide it by 196. And I'm going to get, she can make 10 of them. She can't make 11 because she doesn't have quite enough. So I'm going to say 10 on that, and you can verify it and check it on the back side. Let's take a look at this one. A cone is cut out of a cubic block. Okay, cubic means they're all the same. And so what we need to know is that this piece going across here is also the piece going across here. So the diameter is 12, but the radius is 6. So what we want to do is subtract here. So we want to take the cube, which is 12 times 12 times 12, that's the volume, and we want to subtract the cone. The cone is going to be a circle, which is pi radius squared, which is 6 times 6, times the height. The height of the cone is still the same as this one, it's 12 divided by 3. So work this out, and then subtract this, and then check your answer, and that should work. Let's keep going. The volume of the sphere. See, they give you the volume. What's the surface area of the sphere? Okay, you got to know the formulas here. Volume, I believe, is 4/3 pi radius cubed. The surface area, I'm not quite sure on, so let me see.